Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to change your default search engine from Google to Microsoft Bing in Google Chrome. It's going to be very easy and simple tutorial. So first you can open your Google Chrome and then go to your setting in the top right corner, click this three dots icon and go to settings here, click on it. And then in the left side menu, you can see there is search engine, you can click on it and then as you can see, my default search engine is Google. So I want to change it to Microsoft Bing. You can just click this change icon, change tab, and then there's option to change it to Microsoft Bing. You can just click this one and then set as default. So whenever you search something in your browser, like let's say Google, maybe you want to search Google, and it will be in Microsoft Bing. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.